Hello students. Last day we discussed about force and we also discussed about different type of force and effect of force on the object. And we discussed about the gravitational force as well as magnetic force, elastic force, muscular force, etc. So today we discuss about mechanics, that is simple mechanics. Since the beginning of time, humans have developed devices and tools to make work easier. And the most notable among these are the six simple mechanics. These are inclined plane, the wheel and axle, the pulley, the lever, the skew, and the wedge. So the question is, what is simple mechanics? Actually, the mechanical device that change the direction or magnitude of a force is known as simple mechanics. In general, they are defined as simple mechanism that makes use of leverage or mechanical advantage to multiply force. Simple mechanics have few or no moving parts to modify motion and force. So let us learn more about this six simple mechanics. First one is lever. A lever is a tool that is used to pry object loose, and levers are also used to lift object. A lever has an arm that turns against a fulcrum. So generally there are three types of lever present, that is class 1 lever, class 2 levers and class 3 levers. Actually, the point on which the lever turns is called the fulcrum, and the object to be moved is called the load, and the force exerted on the lever is called effort. So in the first class lever, which has the fulcrum in between the weights and the force applied, its order is represented as force fulcrum weight. This is the most basic type of lever. For example, our hand pushing an object, or seesaws or crowbars. Using seesaws represents the use of two first class lever. Next one, second class lever. In this, the fulcrum is at one end and the force applied is on the other end. The weight is situated in the middle of these two. The order of this would be fulcrum weight force. The application of force at one end will result in some work done on the other end. For example, doors and gate, bottle openers, nail, nail clippers, staplers, etc. Next one, third class lever. These are the lever in which the fulcrum is at one end and the force is applied in the middle and the weight is on the other end. The order is represented as the weight, force and fulcrum. In this case, we have to apply more energy to displace the weight to a longer distance. For example, fishing rod, human jaw. These are the few examples of third class lever. Next one is pulley. That is the simple type of mechanics, and a pulley is a small wheel with a groove around its edge. The groove can hold a rope in position. Instead of an axle, a wheel could also rotate a rope, cord or belt. The variation of the wheel and the axle in the pulley. In a pulley, a cord wraps around a wheel. It is a simple mechanics that is used to change the direction of the force. When the wheel rotates, the cord can move in either of the direction. Various type of pulley helping making a variety of lifting and moving tasks easier. So some example, that is lifting wood with a crane, or lifting a weights, or hosting a flag. These are the few examples of pulley. Next one is wheel and axle. Wheel and axle make work easier by moving objects across distance. The wheel and axle greatly reduce the friction involving in moving an object. The wheel, that is round ends, turns with the axle, causing movement. The wheel is one of the most significant inventions in the history of the world. Before the invention of wheels, the amount of load and distance through which we can carry the load over land was limited. Next one is inclined plane. An inclined plane consists of a sloping plane and is used to rise heavy bodies. Inclined plane make it easier to lift object to greater heights. There are two ways to rise an object. They can be either rising by lifting it straight up or by pushing it diagonally up. Lifting an object straight up moves the object in the shorter distance, but greater force must be exerted. Using an inclined plane to lift object requires a smaller force but must be exerted over a long distance. A few everyday examples of inclined plane include sidewalk, ramp, highway, across ramps, inclined switchback roads. So these are few examples of inclined plane. Next one is screw. An inclined plane wraps around a shaft is known as screw, and the two primary friction functions of a screw are to hold things together or to lift object. Screw are mostly used to hold things together. Next one is wedge. Wedge is a simple mechanics that is used to break apart the substances by applying force. A nail is a common example of a wedge. In a nail, the force is applied to the wide head area. This applied force is concentrated in a simple point area where the force is exerted. At this point, the force is magnified and enables the force to prices through the object. As the nail sinks into the object, the wedge sharp at the point of the nail moves forward and forces the object apart. So these are the few simple mechanics which we observe in our daily life. Thank you.